Okay, let's work on another example. This time, 45 multiplied by 30. When we make use of calculator, the answer will be 1,350. Okay, try naman natin this time na gamitan nung method being used by the Indian nationals. Okay, times 30. And then we will see kung pareho pa rin yung sagot. Okay, 0 times 5 is 0. So we write here 0. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12. So we write here 12. Then ano yung next step nila? They cross multiply. So 3 times 5 will give us 15. 4 times 0 will give us 0. Then they add. The answer will be 15. So, saan natin lalagay yung 15, no? Yung 15 lalagay natin dito dito. Okay? Then, we add 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 2 plus 1, 3, bring down 1, 350. So, exactly the same answer. When you compute using the calculator, and we compute using the Indian method. Okay? Sige, let's give another example. Let's say 31 multiplied by 25. Okay, again, no? 1 times 5 is 5, so we write here 0, 5. And then this 1 times 5, no, is 5, so 0, 5. 3 times 2 is 6, so we write here 6. And then again, we cross multiply. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 5 is 15. Then we add. Ang answer is 17. And then, ilalagay natin yung 17 dito. Okay. So, tignan natin, no? So, 5 plus 0, be 5. 0 plus 7, 7. 6 plus 1, 775. I-check natin kung if we will be getting the same answer sa long multiplication. 31 multiplied by 25. Okay, 1 times 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 15 is 15. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Okay, add 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 1 plus 6, 7. So, the same answer again, no? Okay? Ito yung short method. Ito naman yung long method. Okay? Let's try another one. 70 multiplied by, let's say 75 multiplied by 75. Okay, 5 times 5, 25. 7 times 7, 49. Okay, and then again we cross multiply. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 5, 7 times 5 is 35. Then we add 70. The answer will be 70. So, saan natin lalagay 70? Dito. Okay. So, bring down 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 9 plus 7, 16. Bring down 1. 5,625. Okay. Try natin again in long method. 75 times 75. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, carry 2. 5 times 7 is 35 plus 2, 37. 7 times 5, is 35. So we write 5 here. Then 3. 7 times 7 is 49 plus 3. So we got 52. So tingnan natin kung ano tama. Bring down 5. And 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 2, 6. 5,625. Again, no, we got the same answer using the short method. Okay po? Tignan natin mga examples natin ulit. We started with this. Yan, no? And then we followed with this one. And lastly, this one. This one. Okay. That would be all po. We just try to clarify. Thank you. Happy learning.